Hi, my name is Hayley and today I'm going to be teaching you how to treat your hair with the best care so it's ready to shine for the summer. All hair types are prone to damage no matter the colour or the texture. However, if you have fine or light coloured hair, you're more vulnerable to experiencing sun damage as the hair lacks the thickness, pigment and oily covering to help protect it. The sun reacts with the melanin in the hair like a bleaching agent, which removes the hair's colour and can damage the hair cuticle. During the summer, when the temperature increases, it's important that we keep hydrated. This includes our hair too. Here are some of our top tips on how you can keep your hair hydrated all summer long. Moisturised hair is definitely happy hair, so using a moisturising conditioner after shampoo can help keep the cuticles lying flat and hold more natural oils. If you can brave it whilst in the shower, why not try rinsing your hair with cold water? It will help seal your hair's cuticles flat, making it look shiny and hydrated. Plus, it will boost your energy levels, so best take advantage while the weather's hot and you need a cool down. Interestingly, aloe vera is also a natural product that serves many hair benefits, including cleaning the hair in a way that isn't as harsh as chemicals, and it also aids hair strength. The reason being, aloe vera contains vitamins A, C and E, which helps clean and condition the hair so it's less prone to breakage and fallout. Taking care of your hair is fundamental to not only your hygiene, but it can also improve your confidence and make you feel good about yourself. Not taking care of your hair properly can lead you to experience dullness, dryness, dandruff, and even hair breakage or fallout. You could be ruining your hair by using too much heat styling or products, as this can damage the protective cuticle and cause the hair to become dry. Why not try letting hair dry on its own and embracing natural hair? If you do decide to use heat, however, make sure to invest in good hair protection products like sprays or mousses to reduce the damage. Commonly known as SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate is a chemical surfactant used in all sorts of cosmetics and cleaning products. It can be derived from petroleum, palm oil or coconut oil, and it works by turning liquids into foam. So it's responsible for creating the frothy lava when you shampoo your hair. While SLS is used in many common household products for cleaning, beauty, dental and more, it performs a very similar function throughout. This could possibly lead to damage over time as it's classed as an irritant. The SLS will strip the scalp and the hair follicles of its natural oils, which can be a good thing if that oil is attracted to dirt or an unhealthy scalp. But the average person may use up to 9 products in a day that contain these compounds, and this can be too much exposure. So it's advised people with sensitive skin should probably avoid using products containing SLS. Parabens, on the other hand, are a chemical compound of para-hydroxybenzoic acid and have been used for over 80 years as a preservative to keep skincare and beauty products fresher for longer. They can be found in shampoos, conditioners, deodorants, lotions, makeup, as well as glue, oils, processed meats and other everyday products. So it's likely you are being exposed to them daily. Thank you for listening. I hope you now feel confident in how to take care of your hair ready for the summer. For more tips and tricks, check out our other videos or visit the Holland Barrett Health Hub.